5 mistakes you should never do when taking creatine. Natural sources of creatine include meat and fish, as well as the human body's production of it in the pancreas, liver, and kidneys. It is transformed into phosphocreatine, also known as creatine phosphate, and stored in the muscles for usage as an energy source. Adenosine triphosphate, a key energy carrier in the human body, is produced by the body using phosphocreatine during high-intensity, brief exercise, such lifting weights or running. Among bodybuilders and competitive athletes, creatine pills are popular. The attraction of creatine is its potential to boost lean muscle development and improve athletic performance, especially in short-duration, high-intensity sports like weightlifting and high jumping. If used properly, creatine can be an amazing tool for increasing muscular growth. Understanding the most typical mistakes made when using creatine powder will help you achieve your fitness and health objectives if you're considering taking it but aren't seeing results. We're going to look at 5 typical mistakes people make when using creatine powder and how to prevent them in order to help you make the proper decisions. Let's join us. 1. Less hydrates. Your muscles get hydrated with creatine because it gives them water. Your body requires an excess of water to sustain this in order to maintain supplying those muscles with fuel as you work out. Make sure you incorporate your creatine powder with more than just a lot of water. About 300 milliliters to 500 milliliter is what we advise for a 5-gram serving. However, make sure you also consume enough liquids to rehydrate your body during the day. Aim for 3 or 4 liters. 2. Too much caffeine. As a naturally occurring diuretic, caffeine can cause dehydration. Caffeine causes your body to send a signal to your pituitary gland to stop secreting vasopressin. The kidneys absorb less water when ADH production slows down, which causes the body to excrete more water through urination. You shouldn't become dehydrated from drinking an ordinary cup of coffee because the water content will largely offset the effects of the caffeine. However, consuming caffeine in other forms can hinder creatine's ability to function as intended. 3. Not taking right amount. Both too little and too much can be harmful. If you take too little creatine, you won't get the benefits that it can provide. If you take too much, you may get gastrointestinal distress or bloating in your muscles and stomach. A gram or 2 of creatine is naturally produced by your body each day. Smaller amounts can also be gained by eating foods including pig, beef, chicken, and tuna. While eating a healthy diet is a fantastic place to start, taking a creatine supplement might mean the difference between building muscle and becoming permanently trapped in a plateau. 4. Not enough workout. Make sure that the intensity of your workouts is appropriate for what creatine has to give. Simply taking 5 grams of creatine daily and waiting for anything to happen won't produce any benefits. While creatine gives your muscles the building blocks they need to grow, actual muscle growth still requires hard work in the gym. 5. Drugs that affect the kidney. Kidney damage could be more likely if creatine is taken with any drug that affects the kidneys. Medications that may damage the kidneys are among the medications that could interact with this product. This product may cause incorrect test results by interfering with some lab tests, such as kidney function testing. But not every research involving humans indicates that creatine enhances athletic performance, and not everyone seems to react to creatine supplementation in the same manner. The potential of creatine to build muscle growth and strength may also aid in the fight against muscular weakness brought on by conditions like muscular dystrophy and heart failure, according to preliminary clinical research. While it's undeniably excellent for gaining muscle, creatine is not a miracle supplement. For it to perform at its peak, you must use it correctly and put in the necessary effort with the weights. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.